found my place, and it's me on top of the world. I am King Kong, drop the gate. I hear the chariot coming today. I am King Kong, I'm King Kong, I'm King Kong, I'm King Kong.
Everybody get up.
I'm King Kong, beat my fucking chest. I don't feel the pressure, show the world the best. I endure the pain, let the gorillas out, ignore the chains. Now all my niggas out, thou have forsaken me. Finally back making heat, cooking like a bakery. Now there ain't no breaking me down where my ancestors wish that they could see me now. I'm the best, no question, ain't no testing me. It's me on top of the world. I can't know the king. I hear the chariots coming today. I am King Kong, King Kong, King Kong, King Kong, King Kong, King Kong. And how that baby from the 80s got this generation crazy. Cause good music rock, boy, you think I was with Shady. Shout out to my niggas getting young money, still I'm trying to get that old money. Oops, I mean that royal money. Haters these days are so funny, ha ha ha. False as shit, talking shit, blah blah blah. You can't beat me, why you gotta try? I'm a fame monster, Lady Gaga, and I ain't gonna lie. Try and get mine, I wouldn't be fly. I'll be back in the project hallways all day. Now I'm just lying, I would cry till I get mine. Dipped in gold and diamond rings are so fat. All my kings from every hood finally living good. We've come too far to go back. Yeah, so drink up, drink up. We ain't promised tomorrow, we only promised this bottle of the finest Moscato, and I'ma live by that motto. I may just fly to Cabo, ding dong, ring the bell of a fabulous model. I'm King Kong, I'm King Kong, I'm King Kong, I'm King Kong, I'm King Kong. And it's me on top of the world. I'm King Kong, the king. I hear the chariots coming today. I am King Kong, King Kong, King Kong, King Kong, King Kong. We found our place. Now we're on top of the world. We are King Kong. Drop the gates. I hear the chariots coming today. We are King Kong. We're King Kong. We're King Kong. We're King Kong.
I move weight like a freight truck, build the muscle. You can't escape your fate, we ain't scared to tussle. I put the pressure on your offense, you can't advance. I'm a pro, hit the bench, bro, you had your chance. Do that dance in the end zone and hone my skill. If I don't take it all the way, no one will. Get back, you out of line, and you out of your mind. You out of time, keep searching, brother, how do you find another mind? The mission is this machine, I am is more than mortal. Don't need a key to explore the portal. Just follow me to the next dimension. You get lifted like these plates I'm benching. Go ahead, put your 2 cents in. Your words are worthless. Takes a strong like mine to understand my purpose. It's to shine more bright than the sunlight. I'm the star of the night. Bring it on if you ready to fight. Do you accept the challenge? Bring it on. I'ma test your balance. Bring it on. You can't stand the violence, so put your hands on your legs and leave the silence. Bring it on. You can't handle the heat. Bring it on. This cannibal is hungry for me. Bring it on. And I'm ready to eat. So bring it on. Get out of here before you get beat. Bring it on. Yeah, the heat is on. You You better get your best to the plate or it either gone. Calculate the magnitude of the situation you're facing. No time for pacing, there's no time for wasting. What you thought it would be a cakewalk? I won't make it easy for you to hate talk the trash you spit. No, I couldn't let you do it no longer. So I built up mass and my passion stronger, to the point that I need an extra me to hold it. So thick that you could try, but ain't no need to fold it or bend it any which way. Nothing is happening, just me through the year. I'ma keep on rapping, and then the competition has to retire. No other choice. Who can do it like I do it? No other voice. If you need some help, call a doctor, get some medicine. I'll inspire you, bring you back to life, and make you dead again.
Bring it on.
Do you accept the challenge?
Bring it on.
I'ma test your balance.
Bring it on.
You can't stand the violence, so put your hands on your legs and leave in silence.
Bring it on.
You can't handle the heat.
Bring it on.
This cannibal is hungry for me,
Bring it on.
and I'm ready to eat. So if you're scared, get out of here before you get beat.
Bring it on.
Show me the money, show me the glory. Give me a second to demonstrate. Let me tell you a story. Do me a favor, but keeping my name buzzing in the street. If you my homie, you won't have no problem holding this heat. If you my enemy, then stay away. You guess no love. Imagine your soul escaping, just floating above. Another day, another dollar. Earn the paper to split. It doesn't matter if it's illegitimate. Either way, we are gonna get what we want and get it quick. If you in the way, you feel the contents of this clip. I'm not a gangster, but I know gangster bros that don't. I'm not a softie, come on, let me see you show you a chump. Not a little boy talking big man talk neither. I'm a cold brother, never catch me without a heater. You want drama? I got it for you like it was Broadway. Didn't wanna listen, now you have to learn it the hard way. Bring it on. Do you accept the challenge?
Bring it on.
I'ma test your balance.
Bring it on.
You can't stand the violence, so put
Bring
your
it
hands
on.
on your legs and leave in silence.
Bring it on.
You can't stand the violence, so put
Bring
your
it
hands
on.
on your legs and leave in silence.
Bring it on.
You can't handle the heat.
Bring it on.
This cannibal is hungry for me,
Bring it on.
and I'm ready to eat. So if you're
Bring it
scared,
on.
get out of here before you get beat.